Judge issued a permanent gag order in the Officer Michael Rosfeld case. He is accused of shooting and killing Antwon Rose. The new ruling prevents anyone from talking about the case outside of the courtroom. Pam Surano is live with the details tonight. Pam.
Good evening to you, Susan. It was the first time before cameras for East Pittsburgh police officer Michael Rosfeld since the shooting death of unarmed teen Antwon Rose. He appeared nervous before his status hearing before a new judge today after the judge originally assigned to the case recused himself. This is the first time 30-year-old East Pittsburgh police officer Michael Rosfeld has walked in front of TV news cameras since the shooting death of Antwon Rose II in North Braddock on June 19th. A week later, Rosfeld was charged with homicide for firing 3 shots at the unarmed Rose, who was running from a traffic stop with his hands in the air. Rosfeld posted $250,000 unsecured bond and has remained on electronic monitoring at home. Today, he sat before a new judge, Allegheny County Common Pleas Court Judge Alexander Bicket. Judge Bicket today issued a permanent gag order preventing anyone involved in the case from talking about it outside the courtroom. Additionally, Officer Rosfeld's defense attorney, Pat Tomasi, was granted the right to review 500 pages of documents with his client pertaining to the investigation prior to trial. The Commonwealth initially argued against it, but Attorney Tomasi argued it was his client's right to review the documents. Judge Bicket also granted the defense the right to review another 20 pages of documents the Commonwealth initially felt were irrelevant, providing the prosecution is present as well during review. These pages of documents focus on Rosfeld's mindset when he fired the shots that killed Rose. Judge Bicket also allowed for additional time for the defense to file pretrial motions. Now, the family for Antwon Rose II has also filed a wrongful death lawsuit contending that the officer used excessive and deadly force and should have waited for backup from other officers. No date yet has been scheduled for Officer Rosfeld to appear in court again. We're live tonight. Pam Surano, KDKA-TV News.